Alright, day after Blizzard 2010, Ryan's going to attempt to snowboard down Sophia Drive. It's quite a hill. I got the wrecks here. I'm going to try driving back up. See how this goes. He's probably going to eat shit and die, but we'll find out. Let's do it.
Alright, hop in.
Alright, there we go. Get my seatbelt on here. Alright, man, I'll follow you. You go ahead.
Stop cruising out.
You want me to go? Alright. Here we go. He's behind me. Go! Just go for it! There he goes! Yeah! Yeah, he's got it, man. He's cruising down Sophia Drive. I am too. Hopefully I don't crash. We'll probably still make him out down there a little bit. Making the bend. Oh yeah. There he is. The speck. I don't hit the dude walking down the street. See how far he makes it. I think he's done. Oh yeah!
It's a little slow though.
Oh shit! Alright, it worked. Alright, go.